I think it's pretty good actually. I mean, we should have more of these versus the the discos and stuff that we usually go there. So this is more authentic, and I think this is the way we should go. The modern those generations don't have any idea what this is. So
This is more or less like a restoration of heritage. That's what he meant to say.
Basically, I'm a person who's more into spirituality and religion and temples. So Shashi had visited one of the temple festivals in Bangalore, and she once asked me that we should be doing one such festival in Hyderabad temples too. So I made an effort to go to Bangalore to first see what's happening there and to see how they're going about it and what was the response of the audience, how it was received, and what are the logistics involved in it. And after seeing that, I was convinced that it's a good one to start in Hyderabad too. Especially we in Hyderabad too have a lot of nice old temples. And I thought it's a good opportunity to bring back the age-old custom of having art forms being conducted within the temple premises.
My effort is to only, kind of tell this to the whole world, or at least to the younger generation, and I cannot represent that. And my effort is to say that you don't have to be 40 plus or 50 plus to appreciate all of this, but you could be as young as 16 to understand what we have, what India has, and how rich the culture is, which no other country can boast of.
The first time I saw Rukmini dance, I was very impressed. And when I got to know that she's going to be doing something for a temple with our culture and all that, I was totally impressed. I said, I have to come and see this dance. And having seen it, I think I made the right decision to come and spend my Saturday evening here. It was absolutely beautiful.
The Curtain Raiser will bring to you a 90-minute production of Radha Kalpa Dance Company from Bangalore, Prabhavati, the story of an Asura princess. This is based on the work Prabhavati Pradyumnamu, written by the 16th century Telugu poet Pingali Suranna.
అసలు ఇది ఒక అద్భుతమైన కళాఖండం లాగా ఉంది. మేమైతే ఇంతవరకు చూడలేదు. ఇది ఒక డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది. చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. వాళ్ళు ఎంతవరకు చేయాలి అంతవరకు చాలా ప్రాక్టీస్తో చేసి ఒక అద్భుతంగా ఉందన్నమాట ఇది.
Like youngsters, we barely even know stories of all the mythology. In a very beautiful way, they've explained it to us. I couldn't even be distracted. It didn't take my eyes off even for about a second. That's, I think, how amazing the show was.
All of us enjoyed, and something like this, first of a kind, happening in Hyderabad, we are all very happy, and I hope it will take off very well, since this is just a beginning.
As we all know, dance, culture, they all originated in temples only. In the olden days, there weren't any auditoriums, there weren't any theaters, and it is to the temples that people would congregate for all these kind of social events, for all kinds of artistic performances.
ఇదొక మంచి మూవ్మెంట్ లాగా టోటల్ తెలంగాణలో ఉన్నటువంటి గుళ్ళన్నీ కూడా పురాతనమైనటువంటి కట్టడాలన్నీ కూడా కాపాడుకునేటటువంటి ఒక యజ్ఞంలా తయారవుతుందని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నేను ఆశిస్తూ
ఎన్నో ప్రసిద్ధి చెందినటువంటి దేవాలయాలు తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నాయి. తప్పకుండా ఈ కల్చర్ అనేది మనము ప్రాచీన చేస్తున్నటువంటి ఒక కల్చర్ని కాపాడుకోవాల్సిన బాధ్యత మన అందరిపైన ఉంటుంది. దీంట్లో ఎవరైతే ముందుకు వస్తారో వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా మనం ప్రోత్సహించాలి.
Gudi Sambralu, I think, is a very good initiative and a fantastic idea.
Especially the concept, Gudi Sambaralu is very new to Hyderabad and especially to Telangana state.
ఇలాంటిది కూడా ఒక మంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్ మాకు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత చాలా సంతోషకరమైనది తెలిసిందండి.
యాక్చువల్గా ఎప్పుడు చూసే భరతనాట్యం, కూచిపూడి ఇవన్నీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చూస్తుంటాం కదా, కానీ ఇది దేవాలయాలకి గుళ్ళకి సంబంధించి చెప్పిన ఈ ముందు మాట్లాడిన మాటలు కానీ ఇది తీసుకున్న కాన్సెప్ట్ చాలా బాగుందమ్మా.
చాలా మంచి ఇనిషియేటివ్ ఇది. ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా తీసుకొని ఇంకా ఎంతోమంది అంటే ఇవన్నీ ఏంటంటే ఇది ఇండివిజువల్గా చేయవలసినవి కాదు, ఒక టీమ్ వర్క్.
We have already forgotten most of our culture. Because of this program, I'm sure we'll get to know more about it.
Dance originated in the temples of India. So I think it's very important to keep the tradition, but at the same time blend it with the modern.
So Gudi Sambaralu and having performances at the temple, age-old temples itself is, it's overwhelming in fact.
I think it's great. I think it'll be well received, giving the people what they want.
Yeah, I think they should do it more often and spread more awareness, because cultural things do need more awareness, especially among the youth. So I think it's a great initiative.
Good luck and spread your message of dance and art, and hopefully it takes off well.
It takes a very able and strong person to start something like this, because there are a lot of followers but very few leaders.
All kudos to Shashi and Dr. Srinagi for coming up with such a wonderful idea, and I hope I'll be part of this organization soon.
Way to go, keep up the good work, and it's good to see people bringing traditional values.
It is going to be a boom in Hyderabad, the whole city, in and around the temples.
It's going to be every year in the months of January, February, March on the weekends.